Michael, the drain plug's in front of your face.
I know, I was being retarded.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. No, I didn't. I actually wasn't paying attention.
What the hell? Where you lost that though?
Where the fuck's the wrench? Here, check under the towel.
Made somewhat of progress. Fresh battery. It cranks over. Michael, do you like it?
I'm happy. I'm getting happy. We lost the
Dude,
wrench,
what
bro.
if it has a cam in it? What if it has like an aftermarket cam?
Dude, that'd be lit. We're gonna have Cody finish this shit. I'm pretty sure.
Bro,
you guys,
what the
There's a filter.
Where's the wrench at?
Did you give it to me?
Yeah, you had a wrench. It's right there, dude. Look at that.
That dog goes in his fucking crotch.
I have a vagine.
That's too big.
Too big. You want 9/16?
9/16.
Does it fit like a glove?
Yeah.
Does it fit like a glove?
Fucking mother.
Just break it loose. Break. Hit it with your purse. Hey, you're a lube tech.
Oh, no shit, but I'm usually on the lift too.
You want a wrench to use? Oh, you got it. You're good.
Yeah, I'm a pro.
Fucking lube tag.
Oh shit.
Lost the wrench again.
Yeah, don't lose that.
Don't put it in my crotch.
Yeah, no.
Dad's gonna get mad if I get his tools dirty.
She's draining.
That's what I like to frackin' see.
Heck yeah, boys. We're out here doing a frame off resto.
Resto mod.
Yeah, WRESTO mod.
When you're out of gas, this right here is the best stuff to use. Harvest King starting
We
fluid.
can always
Atwood
easy
special.
Not
sponsored.
That was cringy as fuck.
Yeah, we're just gonna stop the video here now.
Wow, just keep filming this.
No, we're always gonna keep filming.
Content, bro. Check this out. You ready? He's ready to run.
Bet. Start her up, boys.
We have a funnel.
What do you use this for?
Yeah, in my truck.
Like,
Okay.
I get the fucking name, but like, how do you use this?
Hey, you hand me my hat?
Someone hand the man his hat.
It's he's right there.
Where?
It'd be easy to grab from you guys. It's like right by the tire.
Oh, okay.
Dude, it's fucking Iron Man.
There's a French fry.
It's what?
Spin that filter on, brother.
Rottweilers.
Rottweilers.
You didn't get the funnel, Michael? Hey, whoa.
What?
Dude, pre-lube that.
Fucking mother.
Dude, I cannot believe this. Kids nowadays working in dealerships as lube techs, they're not pre-lubing filters on your $50,000 car.
I'm not putting that bitch on if you pour oil in that.
Yeah, you are. What, are
Michael
you going to
can.
get it on yourself?
Yes.
This filter goes straight on like this.
Yeah, I realize that, but it's gonna tip.
No, I swear. I swear to God.
See? Getting all over the fucking place.
Hey, did that O-ring off
Alright.
that? Did that O-ring off that other filter stay on the filter?
Yeah, it's right there. I see.
Okay. Little tech tip right here for ladies and gentlemen out there.
I'll wipe this off. It's a little wet, like me sometimes.
I swear to God, lube techs do not pre-lube filters. That blows my mind.
Well, Matt, you got anything to say to that?
I'm not a lube tech anymore.
I thought he was grinding the shit out of his gears, dude.
It sounds like it. Man, this Cody, whatever his last name is. What is Cody's last name?
Heitman.
Heitman. I'm gonna call this Brenda.
Brenda? Brenda hauls ass.
Brenda's a bad bitch.
He brought us lunch.
Is that a turkey?
Hey, hand me the rag.
We couldn't wait.
The what?
The rag.
Here you
There's two down there just in
Where's
case.
the wrench?
go. Damn. Okay, there it is.
Ah, it's in my crotch.
Check your crotch, Michael.
I can't believe it was there. It was under my belt, dude. That's lit.
What?
Like, it got stuck up under my belt, and I was like,
Dude, hey, Cody. We put the battery in. She cranks like crazy.
There's a coil in there.
Oh yeah, we might have to use that. We got
Holy crap, dude. Someone's been off-roading this bad boy.
Sorry.
I wouldn't doubt it.
The oil pan's like caved in.
This is back when they made cars that could do everything.
All-time all-wheel drive, Chevelle. Alright, put oil in it, boys.
All right, Michael.
Hey, you put oil right here where it says training fluid.
You put it right here.
Nah, that doesn't make sense. It should go right here where it says training fluid.
Hey, but when you put the oil in,
What's up?
do it Freiburger style, like on Engine Masters. Just straight pour, no funnel.
Yeah, 5
Here,
and all of it.
I'll pour it in.
Okay.
Okay, I'm tired of talking to
So, this bitch cranks. Not even lying. Let's watch a master pour some oil. Dang. Smooth.
Does that turn you guys on?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Sounds like cheeks clapping.
Oh.
Brenda. Wait. Cody's mom, Brenda?
No,
Or is that your mom?
that's my mom.
I'm sorry. Dana.
Yeah, Cody's mom's Dana.
Dana's hot. Cody, show us the picture of Dana. Oh.
Why? Do you not love your mom?
I have one of your mom on.
He literally looked so excited when I was leaving this morning. He's like, fuck yeah, now I can finally beat my dick.
I did beat off after you left.
Alright, that's a pretty long shot of just Logan pouring some oil.
Tiny ass fucking funnel.
That's all I got. Alright.
It's doing the job. Give me a hold the funnel.
Quit your bitching.
I got it.
Quit your bitching, Cody. That's what he always says. Quit your bitching.
Hell yeah, we got the Blaster 3.
About a 20.
About treating Cody.
Oh yeah, Cody, we checked the training fluid and it's completely dry.
I doubt it, this bitch probably.
I'm just kidding. It's actually completely
It's like
full
man.
and it smells fresh. Don't pull it out.
Matt, we fucking dipsticks.
Are you fucking lying? Are you lying to me?
No, like it smells good and everything, and it's full.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You brought the cam, right?
No.
Oh,
I bet we're gonna start
I was
it.
gonna grab it, and then I was like, "Fuck, I can grab it." When I turned around, I was
We're
like,
gonna start it, and it's gonna have like a nasty cam in it.
really?
You can obviously tell because it's got a Edelbrock intake on it. With
It
a Holly.
probably won't even suck up any fuel. We'll probably just have to run it off a starting fluid.
I hope it doesn't.
"It's
suck
got
up
a
any
fucking
fuel.
Edelbrock rebuildable fuel pump on that bitch. You know the one that you can like turn and clock and everything." Fuck.
Suck my
If the
wiener,
fuel
Dave.
pump works, we just need to get a 5-gallon.
Oh my god, dude, it's Chevy orange.
Yeah. Well, factory would have been.
Yeah, I know, but
Back in
still.
the
I don't
day, you
think-
see that orange, boys?
Somebody look at the casting number. It's got fucking like 12-point intake bolts back here. But
This is
Is
probably.
this the factory engine?
Yeah.
as far as he knows,
Who put the performance stuff on?
I don't know.
Don't you have-
My grandpa got it from my aunt in the 80s, and so that means it's
Oh, in
was
the
used
80s.
that for like 14
I don't know why I
years.
handed it to you, but
For 14 years, someone else had it.
Alright.
so that's a lot of time for performance.
Logan, you ready to crank this bitch over?
I want to be out here.
Okay, you want me to crank her?
Yeah, instead of.
Hey, you guys got a rag?
yeah, I was about to say, get a rag that's not covered in gas or something.
All right.
That's oil.
So, you put the drain plug and filter back on? All right. She's full of oil.
Ready?
I guess. Hey, wait, guys. Before we just start it right away, let's just crank it for a bit to get pressure.
Okay.
It has an oil pressure gauge in there? A factory one or no?
I think it does on the right side.
Might have a dummy light.
Yeah, it probably has a light. Let's disconnect the power to the coil right here.
Just
Unplug the coil wire.
I'm pulled that coil wire.
Yeah, we can do that. All right. Just just crank it until I say. So we just want to get the oil pressure built up if it has any. Dude, it wanted to go right there though. All right. We'll give it a break. Wait. We're gonna do one more crank sesh.
Oh, dude, I love that. It's an actual rod.
Old fucking linkage.
All right, go ahead and give her some more cranks. Is it getting any fuel in there?
It's sucking up any.
That's good. All right, that's good. We'll hook her up and see what she does.
Fired off real fucking quick.
It did. All right, she should start up.
Hey, crank it. here. Do you have any gas, Michael? We could just fill the
No,
flow
we can.
bowls.
Hey, Dad. Oh, we can.
Hey,
I can see it. We got a gas tank or a can?
Go ahead and give her some more cranks.
Give
Give her.
us if we get the choke
Oh, we can
one.
get it.
Hey,
Open the throttle blade and then.
no, it has a manual choke in
Oh,
it.
it does?
Yeah, unchoke it here.
Yeah, you'll have to teach me, brother. Okay, so then.
Yeah, we'll probably just have to disconnect the choke and cause it's got an aftermarket Holley choke cable in it.
So some.
Yeah, that thing's fucking seized like a son of a bitch. Just undo that screw.
It's a flathead.
I have a flathead out here.
Oh, it's right there on the fender.
I need to put. What's
Dad
up?
has the gas can.
Huh?
Your dad has a gas can.
Oh my god, dude.
Where's he at? Oh.
By your meaty little bear.
That's not where that goes.
God dang. That's how that's been on there.
That's kind of crazy though. It's like wanting to start.
It literally just goes. It's a small block. It'll run off.
Here, just when
gear pull
you're starting fluid, like spraying the starting fluid, don't douse the whole engine because if it like backfires, just keep that in check, okay? Okay. After you get that, let me see that contraption.
There's some gas in here.
Yeah, but what kind does it take?
Gas.
Gas. Pour a little bit down.
That boy is so cute right there.
Let me see that can.
Hey, did you get it, Matt?
What?
Did you get it?
No.
What's wrong?
No, it's through the vent tube with the mouth on the can's like 4 inches.
No, I mean you weren't able to get the choke.
No, it's completely seized. Like, that thing won't budge.
Here, we can get it to budge.
I don't want to break the carb. Even though it's probably junk, but...
Where's that screwdriver at?
say?
Let me see that.
Yes, we got
18, 15?
It looks like
startled.
this kid looks like how I pissed you lately.
Here's.
I love the smell of gas, bro.
What's up, boys?
Dad's gonna. I showed Dad the TP video. I tried to show my mom. He's like, "You better not."
The what?
The TP video.
What's that TP video?
We were at Memorial, or
You were there.
TC. Yeah, you were there.
Tell him
The turkey and mayonnaise.
Oh, that's
Oh, that
nasty.
video's gross. That's nasty. He said that story like 20 times.
I've known him since
It's probably not
fifth
even
grade.
worth jacking with that choke. It closed a little bit.
Okay, I'll see if I can get it to.
This is what we do when we have nothing, boys. When you're poor as heck, you do what you can.
Yeah. You don't buy an
You're
LS.
not gonna be hitting the secondary, so just fill up the primary.
The secondaries probably don't even work.
What if they did, bro?
Is this mechanical?
No.
I know it is vacuum. She ain't got no double pumper.
Probably should have grabbed that Ellerbrock from Cody's house.
I sold it.
Huh?
I sold it to Johnny.
Let's get a new engine. Yeah, let's get it.
Get her cranking.
All right, bro. This is it.
Where's the rag, just in case she catches on fire?
Just doubt it with ether. It'll
It wants to.
Oh, it's actually.
The engine doesn't make any noise.
We're almost there, boys.
Put some more gas in that bowl again.
Michael, don't film my spill.
It's honestly,
Okay, he's spilt a lot, guys. Just don't worry about it.
He was homeschooled.
That one kid that said, "What's your channel?" Shout out to you, whatever your name is.
Little kid from
Little
Collinsville.
Timmy. We're gonna call him Little Timmy.
It's like a 15-minute
Shout
vlog.
out to Little Timmy.
It's already a 15-minute video. We can get like $1,000 off of it.
It's
like
gurgling out the
bubbling.
top.
Oh, really?
No, it's not coming out the top yet. It was just had some air pockets in it. I know all about the air pockets.
He does. He.
Kick my ass.
Gosh. We dropped some boys. What are we doing now?
Come sail.
Give the people a start, man.
Let's go. Let's get it. You got to start the car, not turn off the radio.
You gotta turn the key to start it.
Sorry, neighbors.
What do you think, Matt?
I don't know. I think it's pretty badass. I don't know if it's a 283 though. I think it's got me guessing.
Somebody might have swapped